And without further ado, over to Greg.
Dear colleagues, I'm delighted that you have all...
But there have been some astonishing examples of things in the commercial court. Many here will be familiar with the couple of cases I'm going to. The High Court was asked to set aside an award of 6.7 billion interest. The judgment in the commercial court was given by Mr. Justice Knowles.
Always somebody in the room who will be there saying with great conviction, this is the customary way of doing things.
Being an independent center, you have to provide in a restaurant, and the restaurant to be crowded, you have to serve good food and impeccable, I would say, impeccable service. The second one is it has to be really a dialogue between the arbitration community and the judicial.
Well, it's a very important event. We have many lawyers from many different countries, including Kazakhstan, including countries further afield, Latin America, Asia, Africa. We're all here together. We do a common thing. We settle international disputes, we provide access to justice, and we provide a platform for everyone to meet, exchange ideas, and make contacts, and to work better together.
The Kazakh authorities have done an excellent job in developing the Astana International Financial Center. It's a pleasure for us that the keynote for the next session will be provided by Lord Burnett, the former Lord Chief Justice, who is presiding over the International Court in Astana. The AIFC provides many opportunities for businesses, not just in the CIS but internationally.
And our job was to really explain how our court and arbitration centre work in practice for the benefit of all in Kazakhstan and Eurasia. We did that. I'm happy to say that we are gaining increasingly recognition at the highest international standards as world-class commercial dispute resolution centres. And not just that, but that the investors are telling us increasingly that they are continuing to come back to Kazakhstan because they trust our independent, impartial justice.